3, 2, 1.
Surprise! Hi, Maine! Happy birthday!
Listen up, y'all, cause this is it. The beat.
Okay, now for our personal message for Maine. Start first. Hector will go first. No, you go first. No, you go first. Well, since I'm the smallest, I'll go first. Well, Maine, happy birthday. We miss you so much and be good because you're 18 now. Not too close, Karen. You're 18 now, you can go to jail, so be good, okay? Behave. And, well, my gift for you is this one. Wow. Me? Busy? That's too short. Hi, Maid. I hope na-surprise ka sa little secret namin ni Hesa and with Karen, of course. We want to greet you a happy birthday. Sana, even for this short time na feel mo, nakasama mo kami, yung kabaliwan namin, na-remember mo, love na love ka namin dito, hindi ka namin makakalimutan, and we will forever cherish you. Tsaka sabi ko nga sa'yo, yung promise ko na makikita pa rin tayo kahit magkahiwalay tayo, di ba? Kung hindi ka man makakauwi dito, kami mismo pupunta dyan. Wait for us, okay? Yes, wait for us. Lagi ka mag-iingat dyan, mahal na mahal ka namin, kaya ayaw namin mapapahama ka. Pati sila tita, sila Shane, bantayan mo sila mabuti. Tito. Alam namin na you're so family-oriented, alam ko mahal na mahal mo sila, kaya pagpatuloy mo lang yon. And syempre kay Lord, wag mo siya makakalimutan. Pray always. Yeah. And continue to pursue your dreams. And we love you so much. Hey, good luck to your job, I think. Am I right? And your studies as well. Just continue what you're doing. And we know that you will be successful in there. Yes. We miss you. Take care always. Love you. Bye. We miss you so much. What's your message for, for me? How about Karen? Karen. Here's Karen.
Hi, Maine. Hi, Maine. I wish you all the best in the world. You know naman, I really love you so much and I really miss you. Sana you will, I hope you're doing well in there. Good luck. Good luck in your studies and God bless. I love you so much. I miss all of you. I miss the family and especially you. Sobrang mahal na mahal kita. Mama. Happy birthday. That's it.
They're gonna clean up your looks with all the lies in the books to make a citizen now of you.
Ay, Sammy, happy birthday. Hoy, mga chocolate daw. Tagal-tagal na yan. Shoot. Shoot, size 8. Akin. Size 8 din. Sapato sa kayo chocolate, bilis-bilis mo, tagal. May, di ba may pagpupunta yung lola mo rito? Ba na kayo magpadala na kayo? Kahit ka ng dirina, kahit na huwag na yung mga picture mo, importante yung chocolate. Yung pagkain picture mo, hindi naman namin makakain ka rin chocolate, makakain na. Kahit hindi malapit na pala birthday ko, baka maalala mo, no? Birthday na, malapit na. Hindi siya papunta. Hindi namin may nakakalimutan ngayon. Kamusta nga daw pala sabi ni Tim? Wala dito si James kasi may takot sa kakakit sa'yo. Yeah! Samis na daw niya. Ang mga yakap. Ano sa hindi ba? Basta, happy birthday. Happy birthday.